Welcome to Informed Investing. My name is Don Lawrence. I'm the CEO of STA Research. Our platform is stocktargetadvisor.com. Today we're talking about top analyst ratings. First of all, we start off with Canadian banks. Fundamental Research has issued ratings changes and coverage on 4 big Canadian banks, 2 of which are downgraded. We'll go over those in a second. It seems that analysts are starting to get a little bit concerned about some of these Canadian banks' exposure to the recent very hot housing market in Canada. First of all, so Fundamental Research is covering Bank of Nova Scotia. They downgraded the stock to hold from a buy, and they have an $84 target in the stock. With Bank of Montreal, Fundamental Research is setting the target at 156 with a buy rating. And also on TD, Fundamental Research is downgrading the stock to a hold from buy. They do have a $97 target on the stock. And the last bank is Royal Bank. The Fundamental Research is reporting on today. They're setting a buy rating on the stock with a $142 target. Next, we pivot to Suncor Energy. Scotiabank maintains the outperform rating, and they raises the target to $57 from $46. Back over to another Canadian stock, Ballard Power, the battery manufacturer. Right across the board there, there's 2 analyst reports here. But recently, analysts have been cutting the targets, as I say, across the board on this company. And we've got Piper Sandler resuming with an underweight rating, which is essentially a sell, with a $5 target. So that's currently low than where the stock is trading at the moment. And we've got the restaurant Cracker Barrel with 3 analyst ratings coming out here. Citigroup is got a sell rating, unfortunately, on that stock, and cut the target to 89 from 94. We're going over to Morgan Stanley, covering 2 cruise stocks. First of all, they've got Carnival Corp. They're maintaining the underweight rating, which is, again, basically a sell rating, and they are chopping the target to 13 from 17. And Morgan Stanley is checking in on Norwegian Cruise Lines, and they're keeping their equal weight rating, so slightly better than the sell rating we've got there on Carnival, but however, they are cutting the stock to 14 from 18. We've got 3 reports coming out on Guidewire. One of the notable ones is Wells Fargo, with their underweight rating, again, essentially a sell, and they are cutting the target to 75 from 85. We've got Rigel Pharmaceuticals with 3 analyst ratings coming out in the stock. One of the main notable ones is Piper Sandler is cutting the target from $7 right down to 1. So obviously they're very bearish on the stock, and they are cutting that target to downgrading the rating to neutral from overweight rating. We've got 5 reports on Smartsheet. One of the notable ones is RBC. Most of them of the analysts have cut their targets on the stock here. RBC Royal Bank are raising the target to 38 from 34, but their target is lower than others, and they do have a sector perform rating on the stock. Last but not least, we have the big retailer Target with 13 analyst ratings. So they're the most actively rated stock today coming in. And of course, we're going to talk about Goldman Sachs rating change, target change. They're keeping the rating at buy, but they are cutting the target to 171 from 191. And right across the board, there, pretty much all the analysts are cutting targets and their targets on Target Corporation. Obviously, no surprise, just concerned with the pressure on consumers to keep purchasing goods. Anyways, guys, that wraps us up for another day of top analyst ratings. Thanks very much for checking us out. Look at our platform, stocktargetadvisor.com, and if you'd like Analyst Ratings straight into your inbox twice a day in pre-market and midday, please sign up for our premium service. It's only $5 a month. Thanks again for joining us. Happy trading, guys. Cheers.